Say you are starting a 100K trading combine and the max loss limit is $3,000. This means that on your first trading day, your account balance may not go below $97,000. If you close the day up $2,000, bringing your account balance to $102,000, your max loss account balance for the next session will increase to $99,000. If you make $2,000 again on the second day, good for you, your max loss on day 3 will be set at $100,000. This is because your max loss cannot go beyond your starting balance. Remember, your max loss account balance can only increase or remain constant. In our example, if you were to make $2,000 on day 1 and lose $2,000 on day 2, your max loss account balance would still be set at $99,000 on day 3. This is because it's based on your highest closing account balance. However, once the max loss level reaches the starting balance, it will stay there until you pass the trading combine or reset the account.